Hare Krishna. I'll be reading a story, Transformation of a Cruel Hunter, which shows us the value of compassion. Once upon a time, there was a hunter called Mrigari. He would hunt all kinds of animals in the forest, but instead of killing them, he would leave them half dead. Seeing the animals suffering in pain gave great pleasure to Mrigari. One day, the great sage Narad was passing by the forest and saw the half-dead suffering animals. His heart was pained to see the trembling animals. Narad wondered, who is inflicting such cruelties on these animals? He looked around and found Mrigari crouching behind a bush with his bow raised to shoot another deadly arrow. Narad questioned Mrigari, "Why are you torturing these animals by half killing them?" The hunter replied, "Hunting is my profession. What is wrong with half killing them?" Narad said, "You may be a hunter. However, by these acts of shooting arrows at innocent animals, you are inflicting so much pain on other living creatures. Don't you know that because of this sinful act, you too will have to suffer the same amount of pain?" The hunter did not know that killing the animals was sinful. He said to Narad, "O great sage, I have been trained like this by my father. This is my profession. I do not know what sin is, but this is the first time I am hearing that killing animals, especially in this way, is evil." Because Sage Narad was a saintly person, Mrigari was influenced by him, and he decided to change his life. He asked Narad Muni, How can I become a better person? I beg forgiveness for what I have done. Please accept me as your disciple and instruct me on what to do." Sage Narad asked him to stop killing animals and chant the Hare Krishna Mahamantra. "Don't worry about food. Have faith that the Lord will provide everything you need," Narad added. When the village people heard that the hunter had become a saintly person, everyone came to him. They would regularly bring different varieties of foodstuffs like rice, wheat, sweets, and fruits for him. Mrigari offered it to the Lord, took whatever was needed, and then distributed the rest to the villagers. In this way, Mrigari became a perfectly saintly person, constantly chanted the Lord's holy names. Sometimes later, Sage Narad came along with his another sage, Parvat, to see his disciple. Mrigari came out jubilantly to receive them, but as he approached Narad, he jumped every few steps. Parvat Muni frowned in surprise. "Why are you jumping?" he asked. "While walking towards you, I noticed many ants on the path. So I was trying to save their life by not stepping on them," replied Mrigari. Both the sages were very happy to see the transformation in Mrigari. The same hunter who earlier took pleasure in leaving animals half dead was now no longer interested in killing even an ant. Thank you. Hare Krishna.